In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart list of past clients in Go High Level. A smart list is a saved, filter-based view of your contacts. It lets you instantly pull up exactly who you want to see without rebuilding filters every time. In this walkthrough, we'll build a list of past clients using an existing tag so you can quickly nurture and re-engage them. Start by heading to the Contacts area inside your Go High Level account. This is your central hub for all people in your database, and it's where smart lists live. Once you're there, look for the option to Add Smart List. Click that to create a brand new saved view. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so you and your team immediately understand its purpose. A great example is Past Clients, Nurture. Consistent naming makes it much easier to find and share lists later, especially if you create several for different campaigns or segments. Next, open Advanced Filters. This is where the power of smart lists really kicks in. Advanced filters let you narrow your view by attributes like tags, dates, and custom fields, so you only see contacts that match exactly what you need. In the filter search, start typing tag, then select the tag filter. Tags are simple labels you've already applied to contacts to indicate status or behavior. They're essential for clean segmentation. If your organization uses tags consistently, building accurate smart lists becomes fast and reliable. Now choose the tag that identifies your past clients. In this example, select Case 1. That tag typically marks someone who has successfully completed a process with you and is now a past client. If you don't see the tag, it likely means it hasn't been created or applied yet. Make a note to align with your team on your tagging standards, so this list stays accurate over time. After selecting the tag, click Apply. Go High Level will immediately refresh the view to show only contacts who match your criteria. You should now see a clean list of clients who carry the Case 1 tag. Take a moment to scan the results and confirm they look right. Spot check a few records to be sure the tag usage lines up with your definition of a past client. From here on, this smart list is ready to use whenever you need it. Because it's filter-based, it will automatically stay up to date as new contacts receive the Case 1 tag. Use this list to plan your nurture messages, schedule check-ins, or analyze engagement trends among your past clients. And if your criteria evolve, you can always return to the filters to refine the view without starting from scratch.